Hi, I'm Michelle Day, Information and Referral Specialist for the HAMSA program of Jewish Family and Career Services. HAMSA stands for Helping Atlantans Manage Substance Abuse. Not too long ago, I got a call from a woman who was struggling with a daughter in her mid-20s who was dealing with a heroin addiction. And luckily, we were able to help her find some resources for her daughter. And that was kind of the end of it. Well, I followed up with her this week and I came to find out that unfortunately her daughter had relapsed. Not only that, but her husband is at home on hospice for end-stage cancer and has also been diagnosed with the coronavirus. So it's a tough time for our client right now. So how can we help? I felt a little helpless. What we can do is try to help her daughter get into treatment, and in the interim, while we're trying to figure that out, it's very important that we armed her with the ability to save her daughter's life if, God forbid, there's an overdose in the house. And so, today, for the first time, I put on my mask and my gloves and I drove out to Kennesaw and I did a Narcan training in somebody's front yard, socially distanced. So what's Narcan? Narcan is an opioid antagonist. We have the nasal spray. We have a grant funded where we could purchase it and train people how to use it and ultimately give it to them. And it can theoretically save somebody's life if they're overdosing on an opioid, on something like heroin. And so I went to her house today, and in her front yard, I gave her a couple of our little kits and showed her how to use it and made her feel a little bit better in that in case there is a tragic event such as an overdose in her home, that she may be able to save her daughter's life. And we're going to continue to help her try to find treatment for her daughter and be there as a support for her through whatever the next few weeks have in store for her and her family. So another reason that I love working for Jewish Family and Career Services, and that I'm able to provide support for our community in this really challenging time and beyond. So I hope everybody's staying healthy and sane and being careful, and know that we're here for you in any way that we can be.